So it is very good. So I request everyone, please go through that recording where like he explained on the method how he has prepared the syllabus and then how it is useful for him to crack 5 offer letter. It's not like 1 offer letter, 2 offer letter. He got 5 offer letter. So I have uploaded in YouTube, so you can check it. I'll share it after the class in your group. And sorry, I did not invited you people because maximum people will be allowed 100. So I know like if I would invited you, so it would be more than 100 and then many people would not able to join also. So that's what like, but definitely I'm going to share you the recording. I've recorded the session. People have asked many questions and there is some motivation from me also, like how to process and all. So just listen full recording. It will be very helpful. It will be 1 hour session. I'm going to share you after the class. Okay. So last class we discussed about the DML, correct? Like we have started with one topic, how to create tables. Anyone is facing any problem, guys? Understanding or writing problem, installation problem. Anyone?
Jayant, I have still issue in installing.
Rusikesh, you have a still issue?
Yeah.
Like how? What is the problem you are facing?
I tried to download the Oracle, but it's not install.
Downloading.
Downloading, but not installing properly. So that's why.
Bisal, what Bisal told?
He sent me one of other database tool,
Hmm.
but I don't understand how to install that tool. So
Okay, okay.
yeah, I tried, but
Like what he's telling about the software, which one we have discussed to install. He told to like format C drive, correct?
yeah, he told me format C drive.
Yeah. So if see all installation, he is only taking care. Okay.
Yeah.
I can also see it, but the
Hmm.
thing is that from past 10 batch, he is only taking care of each and every person installation. So he know on and all in and out which one will be supporting and what are the things he has to do. So if
Even
he's
I
telling,
yeah. Hmm.
if he's
Even I
telling that, yeah,
sorry, even I install MySQL tool also, but
hmm.
he also having problems. So that's why.
MySQL also problem.
Yeah. I installed. I totally installed and all done process, but having some issue
So
and
you
that
have
also.
never cancelled while installing the software,
No,
correct?
no. I follow everything because I help from the YouTube channel, so that's why I
Mhm.
follow all the procedure.
Okay, no problem. Let me see after the class, okay?
Okay, fine.
But it will be not helpful if Vishal told that is the final only because he is taking care of all the installation process.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So last class we have discussed. Any doubt from the what about like class 2 classes from 2 sessions, guys? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Sir, go slowly, sir, please.
It's very slow. I know like you will struggle for 3-4 classes. It will be people will struggle. Okay, because when you start writing the queries, no, you need a little bit time, like 3-4 class only, 3 to 4 classes.
Okay, thank you.
So after that, everything will be perfectly fine.
Jayant, Ajay here. Friday, I'm not able to attend the class. I see the YouTube and I've gone through clearly on Friday classes. For create commands and all you use for, I need some more brush up, like how you creating and what were the tables and all methods you use. So,
Thursday I was taken, not Friday.
Thursday, correct, not Thursday.
Yeah. So that I'm going to explain again. No worries in that case.
Okay.
That day we have finished in 5 minutes only, 5 or 10 minutes that, so that people can understand little bit and they can create the tables. So that I told on the Thursday that I'm going to explain it again, how to create tables. So we'll go for, we'll start with the full process again for DDL. Okay. So no worries in that case. So today we are going to discuss about the DDL command. Hope you don't have any doubt in the select statement. I like today's morning, Bank is supposed to take the doubt clearance session, and he asked me to share the link also. But I told him to hold on. Like, if you'll take tomorrow morning, then people will, or tomorrow evening, if he'll take, then you'll be able to practice today and tomorrow daytime, and you can ask more doubt from him. So I'll ask him to take at 4 o'clock, half an hour doubt clearance session. So who will be struggling? So they'll have everyone like a big Venkatesh will help you to clear it. Okay. So today we are going to discuss with DDL command. Okay. Now 3-4 classes I'll go slow only. So this week completely I'll go slow, and I request everyone to put effort. Learn the things. There are like 4-5 openings details I've shared in the who is searching jobs. Okay. So you will get job very soon. Like, but you have to put effort. And my request is that if you're not working anywhere, take previous class recording, prepare in a 15 days only. Just a request. Okay. So because it will be very helpful if you'll prepare fast, and then effectively you will be able to get the job. So today we are going to discuss about the DDL command. What is DDL command and its type, create command, how to create tables in a database, how to create new tables in database. We are going to learn how to drop created tables from the database permanently. We are going to discuss that. How to modify existing table, from the database. In the database, we are going to learn that one. Truncate command, and some assignment will be there for you. Okay. Truncate command will be used to drop a table, table related data only. The structure will remain same. So what is DDL command and its type? We are going to learn what is DDL command and its type. Okay. So DDL stands for data definition language. DDL full form is data definition language. That day on the Thursday, I've explained it again. So I'm explaining it again. I'm explaining it again. So DDL changes the structure of the table. Like creating a table, you're going to create a table using create command. You're going to delete the table using drop and truncate. You're going to delete a table using drop and truncate, and you're going to altering a table. Altering the table means you're going to modify the table. What are the things you are going to do in your altering command? You're going to modify the table, whether it's you are going to add new column or you are going to drop new whatever the added columns. You're going to change the data type, or you are going to rename the column name or the table name using alter command. We'll see each one by one. Okay. So all the command of DDL are auto committed. All the commands of DDL are auto committed. It means it will be saved permanently, all the changes in the database. The moment you will run all this command, related command, okay, like if you run the create command, so whatever the tables you will create using create command, it will be saved permanently in the database. So it will be saved permanently into database. The moment you will run, it will be auto committed. It will be saved permanently into a database, like whatever the command you will run. Create command, alter command, drop command, truncate command. You no need to save it. You don't need to save it, guys. You don't have to save this command. Okay. So it will be saved permanently only. So here are the some of the topics of DDL command: create command, alter command, drop command, truncate command. So these are the command we are going to learn one by one. One by one, we are going to learn it. So what is create command? How to create a create a statement is nothing but if you want to create a new table, in the database, then how you are going to create it. Using create command, you will be able to create a new table in the database. So what is database you have? So you have we are using for practice purpose Oracle database. Hopefully you all have installed it, but if you have not installed, refer my recording and install it. Some of the people will face some of the installation problem. Take help from Vishal and Venkatesh. Okay, so they will help you to install the software. So this is your HR schema, where like we are writing our queries and all. HR schema, why we are preferring? Because it is having inbuilt table, guys. It is having 6-7 inbuilt table. for practice purpose, it will be helpful. You don't have to create big table. You don't have to create big table, so that like if you'll have big data, if you have a more number of record, you will be able to practice more. Okay. So if you have table is created, which is generic queries and all, you will be able to practice more related to this table. So that's why we are preferring HR schema, so that we have inbuilt table and we'll able to practice more on this. Okay. So this is what we are going to do in a database. So first of all, like we are going to create a new table. So if you want to create a new table in the database, then you'll use create command, create table name, column 1 data type size, column 2 data type size. You can add n number of columns. You can add n number of columns, depend on your requirement. Depends on your requirement. You can add n number of columns, guys. Okay. And then you have to close the bracket and terminate the query. So this part we have discussed on Thursday also. I'm explaining again. So this is the table name. What table name you want to keep it? What table name you want to keep it? You have to take care of these things. If table name should be different. If you are creating a new table in the HR schema, if your table name already there, you will be not able to create those table name. So you have to give the different table name. If table name is already exists, then you have to give the different table name. Okay. Column name, what type of column you want to add it? Like if you want to create an employee table, then employee name. Okay. So employee name, you want to add salary column, the hire date, or department ID, department name, first name, last name, like that you want to add it. Those columns you want to add it. What type of value you want to add here? Like I want to add employee ID. So employee ID will be in a numbers. So you have to add a number data type. You have to add numbers data type, and you have to add size also. Consider that you want to limit the size. You want to enter only 3 numbers data. So you'll mention here 3, or if you want to restrict to 5 numbers, you will give here 5. If you're adding a name, employee name, name you are adding, employee name you are adding, then you have to give data type as a varchar 2. Please refer first recording. There I have explained it. So name also you can limit the size. If you want to limit like 20 more than 20 characters name, you will not able to enter. Then you have to mention a size like 20 here. Okay. You like this salary part. If you want to add salary, then you have to use numbers only, and you have to give precision in that. So please refer what is that. You'll understand. Like if you'll see the structure of this table, it will be more clear how they have managed with the data types. DSC employees. If you'll see here, so you'll see that employee ID, they have mentioned as a number. Don't see not null. We are going to learn this one is a constraint chapter, guys. Okay, so employee ID, number data type, and they have restricted to up to 6 digit only. You will be able to enter here, not more than 6 numbers. First name, varchar 2. Like first name means my name is Jan. So first name I'll be entering Jan. So more than 20 character, you will not able to enter in this first name. So they have user is restricted only 20 characters. You will be able to enter. So like that salary, if you'll see, they have mentioned as a number. Number 8,2 means before decimal you can enter 8 up to 8 digit you can enter. After decimal you can enter up to 2 decimal. Like you can enter 10,000 Indian INR rupees, and like this you can enter the value. So this is the things. If you are adding the date data, then you have to mention as a date data type. Date data type. So these are the different data types we have available here. We'll use it in our what is that creating a table, and then we'll learn more on that. Okay, so this is the syntax you have to follow. The column parameters specify the name of the columns of the table. The data type parameter specifies the type of data the column can hold. Okay, these are the things, same thing I have explained you now. We'll see how to create tables. Like we'll start with the very first level of table, like single columns will add it. Single columns will add it, and then we'll learn it how we are going to create a table. So I'm explaining it again as I promised on the Thursday. I'll explain it again. So for practice purpose, we have completed in very fast. that day, and you people supported me, and you have, I know, like most of the people, you have practiced it. Okay, so I'm going to create a first table. So if you want to refer the document, I'm going to upload today in a drive. Okay, so in drive you will have access for all this document and all. So these are the tables, you can create it. Simple tables also will add it now. Okay, so first column I'm going to, first table I'm going to create it. Like create, can you help me guys with the syntax? I'm going to create table name. Let's make it batch 24.
Create table, table, batch 24,
Batch 24.
24.
Student name I'll give
Open
first.
bracket.
okay,
Student ID, let's make it student
student
ID.
ID, student ID,
ID.
student
Number.
ID, number,
Number,
comma,
5.
Open bracket.
student name,
Open
student
bracket 5.
first name,
5.
5.
Let's make it one column only now. Okay.
okay,
So batch 24 table name is batch 24. If you see your syntax, this is the syntax we follow here. So batch 24 we are going to create first. This is the syntax we are following. It's not copied properly, so let's not copy it here. So batch 24, your table name, and column name, only one column name we have added, student ID. Data type we have added data type, and size is 5 here. So if you'll run it, your table will be created in HR schema, guys, HR schema. So now table 24 is created. If you want to see the structure of the table, what we have to write, guys?
Describe.
describe table, DSC followed by table name.
So this is the things, okay? So your table is created with only one column we have added, student ID, number, and limit is 5. 5-digit only you can add it. Next one is, we are going to create another table with 2 columns. Same tables will create with _1 will give, okay? So student ID and student name, 2 columns will add it. Create table, help me guys.
Create table,
Create table.
student name,
Batch 24.
Batch
Shall I make it
24.
2?
Bracket
Understood.
open.
Student name.
Student ID will make it first.
Student ID,
Student ID.
Student ID.
number,
Data size 5.
number 5, bracket
Open
open,
bracket. The size.
Comma.
and comma,
Student
Comma.
name.
Student name,
Name.
Name.
varchar of
Varchar.
25, varchar
where
25.
20.
Perfect. Guys.
where
Okay.
get to
So
Closing
let's
the
do it.
parenthesis.
Okay, perfect. So we are going to create another tables called batch 24. How many columns we are adding? Student ID and student name. Okay. So number is the data type as we have discussed earlier, and then varchar to 25 we are adding here. So if you run it, your table will be created with the batch 24_2. So batch 24_2 is created. If you want to see the structure of the table, you'll see, you'll write it.
Describe batch 24_2.
So you'll see that 2 columns are added here. Now we'll create one table with the 4 columns, guys. Student ID, student name, joining date, okay, and then fees, okay, like this. So let's create a table. Help me, guys. Batch 24_3 will make it.
Create table.
Create table batch
table batch
24_3
_3.
_3
bracket open,
bracket
Bracket
open,
open. Student
Parenthesis.
underscore ID.
student ID,
student underscore ID,
number
Number 5.
number,
5,
Student ID, number
Number.
5,
open and close,
number of 5,
Comma.
student name,
Student's name.
Student name,
underscore
Varchar.
name,
student name
Varchar.
varchar 2 of 25
5,
Varchar 2.
of
Comma.
25,
joining date,
student name,
date of
Joining
joining,
joining
okay,
date,
date of
joining
joining,
date,
Joining date.
Data type
Date.
date.
Data type date.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Date,
Then fees.
comma,
Fees.
fees,
In number.
number,
We can say 5. Number.
5, comma 2 we can give, I think.
5,2.
Yeah.
Close the parenthesis, semicolon.
So let's make it another line. Okay, so this is the table we are creating with 4 columns, guys. What are the columns? Student ID, student name as above. Then joining date, we have
Joining
given
date
the
and
date. Okay, fees is number. Okay, fees we have given number. Joining date, we have given data type as date. Yeah,
What is the format will take in data for date?
date will be for taking format of your this format only.
Okay, how can we know that which format it is by default going?
Oracle will take this format only. Try with different format also.
2 digit.
Yeah.
Okay.
DD, MM, YY. DD,
So if you
MM,
want
YY.
4 digit, then
4 digit it will not take. It will follow the standard of Oracle standard. Okay. DD, MM, YY, or you try with 4 time YY also.
like how we need to mention somewhere 4 wise.
DD, YY, and sorry, DD, MM,
MM and Y.
YY. Like this, you'll say in a single quote. Will help you
Okay.
in adding the insert command. Tomorrow we'll insert the values. Multiple values will add. Try with this one. Like you can say that today's date is what? 06 in a single quote. 06 02
02
23.
23. Like this, you try it, or you can try with the different value, like another value also. Let's see which one accept. Okay.
Okay.
Like this also you try it. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, sometimes it will take a month in varchar format, sir. In the sense, month will be displayed.
MON.
MON, JUN, like
that
that.
will learn in
JN.
2care. Like case conversion functions, when we learn, no, that time we'll say that how we can take it as an MON. Like if it's a 06, then it will be June, kind of things, no? We'll learn in a case conversion function.
No,
Not
sir. By default, it will take. No, sir. In my SQL, what we have installed, sir, what you have shared.
MySQL is having different format. This is Oracle SQL. It will take
Okay.
in a digit only.
Okay.
But we can convert it. We'll learn that one is case conversion function. Okay. So just go step by step. It will be helpful.
Piece number 2,5.
Yeah, Jay Kumar, you are telling something.
Piece number 5,2.
5,2 we put it as a number. Okay, the fees will be in a consider that it's an Indian currency. So 10,000 up to 5 digit only it will support. Then up to 2 digit of decimal point
Decimals.
you can add it.
Okay.
5 digit before decimal. That's why we have mentioned as a 5. Then after decimal it will support 2 digit. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is what we have created. You create multiple tables, and then create your assignment will be create a table with name, ETL testing, like first table like this, and then you add ETL testing of 1. You add student ID like this, something student ID you can add, student name like this. What is this?
Joining date.
Joining date. Then you add it
Fees.
fees. Then you add it got offers number. Offers number you can mention. Offer number like this.
Salary.
Package you can mention.
And mobile number.
Mobile number you can create. This you can create it with the different columns. Okay, like this you create it. I'm just
Email ID.
email ID also you can add it. Okay. So created table, 3-4 tables you created with this thing. Any question, guys? Can I move to next topic? Simi, yes, Simi. Tell me, Simi.
The tables that we have created should be displayed in the left pane, right? Under tables, right?
Yeah, here it will display, but now it will not display because we have to refresh it. Let me see whether we can refresh or not. Yeah, we can refresh it. So now you will see that B24.
Okay. Okay.
B24_2.
Yeah. One more thing. When I created the table, I got an error message saying name is already used by an existing object.
That's what, like, if you'll check your table name, no, it will be there. If I'll try to create with the table name with A, or let's try it with the some existing name only. Like I've created this batch 24, no? If I'll try to create it again, it will show that table name is already there, available. Name is already there. So you have to give different name, give something new name. One like this.
Yeah, okay. That is for the table name. For the inside parameters like student ID, student name, if it is repeated,
someone asked me like if I'll give like this, so it will not take.
Okay.
It will not take. You have to give either like underscore or make it like this.
Not any space.
Yeah, I am asking that in batch 24_1, there is a parameter student underscore ID.
Yes.
And in batch 24_2 also there is a that same parameter is there, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that won't create any issues,
no,
right?
No, this one will not create any problem.
Issues.
Column
Only the
names
table
can be
name.
same. Column names can be same for n number of tables, but this table name should be different.
Should be different. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other question, guys? So these are the assignment will be there. Someone take the screenshot and then paste in the group. Okay.
So I am also facing same issue. Or why it is coming this error?
Which one? Which one?
The name is already used by an existing object like that. We are executing again. We get this error, or
you have to give the table name different. You have to give table name different. This table name is already created earlier. That's why it is throwing error. Now, if you'll run it again, it will say that this table name is already there in your database.
Yeah.
Okay, give some different name and then create it. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Any other question, guys?
This table name should be unique for only within the schema, or other schemas also it can be
within the schema. You can create with the same schema in different same table name in different schema, like admin and another schema. Okay. So if I'll take admin, I'll be able to create it.
Okay.
Table is created.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Schema wise only you have to make it.
Okay.
Good, guys. Like if you are asking question, that's very good. Like it shows that you are serious.
Jayant, it will save in my my local database only, right? So it will not reflect in your database, right?
No, it will not reflect in my database. Your database. This is just a system. Like what is that? A standalone software, correct? In your software, in your system only, it will support.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Because I have created, you will not able to see in your database because we are not creating online, no. When it will be when you will be working in a real-time scenario. So when you will be using company database, so whatever the tables you will create, that it will reflect for the everyone users, their company users, but you will not have access to create the tables.
Okay, got it.
Okay. None of the DDL command you will have access in the company website, company database. You will not able to do this DDL command. and DML command. Both things you'll not able to do. DDL and DML, you can't do it in a company database. But for interview perspective, we are learning here, as well as these are the basic things for the SQL. So we are learning here. And you'll have access for the full select statement, guys. You will have access for full select statement. Okay.
Okay.
So this is what we have. Next topic will be your drop command, guys. Read this one.
Jayant, one quick question.
Mm-hmm.
In DDL, you said alter, right?
Yes, yes.
So what is the difference between alter and update?
We'll tell you that. Let's
okay.
go step by step. Okay.
Okay.
Your group discussion will start from Monday onwards, guys. Next Monday onwards, because some portions will complete so that it will be fine to attend the group discussion. Done, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So what is this drop command? Drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. Okay. So we have created a table. We have created a table. The moment we have created the table, it is got stored in the database. Automatically it's got saved. Okay, automatically it's got saved. We don't have to do any saving method or any saving command. We don't have to run. So the moment we have created the table, it's got saved in the database automatically. So we have created multiple tables. I guess 3 tables we have created. And then if you want to drop those tables, if you want to delete those tables from the database, so what you will use? So you have to use drop command. Drop is used to delete both the structure and the record stored in the table. So drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. What is the meaning of a structure and the record in a table? So means like, if you'll see, this is the structure of the table. Student ID and number is updated in the batch 24 table. This is the structure. So if you'll see your employees table, this is called as data. So the moment you will run the drop command, no, your table data will be deleted. Your table data will be deleted, as well as whatever the structure is there. This also will be deleted. This also will be deleted. Permanently, it will be deleted. The moment you will run drop table name, it will be deleted your table structure as well as data. Table data also it will be deleted. You will not able to retrieve it back. The moment you will run drop command, drop table name, it will be your table, whatever the tables you will put into drop table employees if I'll put. So table will be deleted without like it will be deleted and you will not able to retrieve it back. It will be deleted permanently because it's a DDL command. It will be deleted permanently. So what is the syntax of drop command? Drop table name, drop table name, drop table name, and drop table customers. Drop table customers is a one example. Consider that customer is a table. Customer is a table and it is having 1 million records are there in this customer. 1 million records are there, 1 million data is there, and table structure also 10 columns are there. So the moment you will then drop table name, this table will be dropped, deleted. You'll not able to retrieve back this table. Okay, so drop is used to delete both the structure and record stored in the table. A drop statement in SQL remove a component from the RDBMS, means from the database only it will be deleted. Full it will be deleted. Rollback is not possible. Rollback means what? You cannot retrieve it back. If you use any command to retrieve those back, you will be not able to retrieve it back. Okay, you will not able to retrieve it back. So that is the things for the drop command. So we'll see some of the things. So now we have created how many tables we have created? 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have created three tables. So now if I want to drop a table, we'll say that drop table name. Let's take it first table name, batch24, like this. So if you want to drop the table, you will say that batch drop table name. The moment you will run, now you will be able to see the structure of the table, as well as we have not entered any data, so you will not able to see any data, but you will see the structure of the table here. One column we have added, you will be able to see it. Okay, you will be able to see it. The structure you will be able to see. The moment you will run this, this table you will not able to see at all. See, table batch24 is dropped. Now you run, you will not get one. Object batch24 does not exist. Okay, like this we have created another table. So see the structure of this table, as well as if you want to see the data. This is the structure of the table. If you want to see the data, you'll say that from and then table name. So it will give you table data. So we have not added any data. So you are not able to see any data in this one. We have not inserted any value here. So you are not able to see any data. So the moment I will run this, these are the things you will not get. It will throw error. Table batch24 _ 2 is dropped, deleted. Now you see the structure, you will not able to see that. Object does not exist, and you see the data, you will not able to see. Tables or view does not exist. Okay, this is your drop command. We'll see some tables which is having data. Okay, let's take it, select star from table A. I've created yesterday for the old batch. Let's see that whether we 4 records are there in this. 4 records are there in this table. Okay, the moment if you want to see the structure, you can say that. Okay, DSC A. So it will give you the structure also. Structure also you will be able to see. The moment you will write it, drop table A, you will not able to retrieve back data, whatever it is there. Table A is dropped. Now you run this one, table A, it will say that table does not exist. Previously 4 record you were able to see that. So now you are not able to track it back. So this is your drop command, guys. Any question in this drop?
So this table data only dropped or table name also dropped?
The table name also it will be deleted. And data plus structure will be deleted.
But inside HR schema, table
Inside
name
HR
is also...
schema only. Yes. As HR schema or database, HR schema only your table is getting created, correct? So it will be deleted from your schema only.
Jayan,
You will not able to retrieve it back because it's a DDL command, auto committed command.
Jayan,
Yes.
yeah. This is not regarding the drop. In the lower pane, we are having 2 tabs: script output and query results, right?
Where is the query result? Yes, yes.
Yeah. All this data will be available in script output, right?
No, it will be structure will be showing here.
structure will be showing. Okay.
Showing in a script output, you'll able to see the structure. Like if I'll say that, select star from employees, you will get data in output query result. Can you see
Okay.
that?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
okay.
This I have deleted. Query result, you will be able to see the data.
Okay.
But if you'll see DSC employees, you will be able to see the structure of the table in the script output.
Okay, okay. But from when I run the query without any data, that simply create a table. I'm not getting that table in the query results.
Because it's created, table is created.
Yeah, table is created, but
because you have not added any data. No, we have not inserted any data.
But we have created the columns, right?
Columns we have created. Now, if I'll say, if I'll one table we have created batch 23, correct? With 4 columns. Now, if you want to see the structure, so what we'll say DSC and then batch 24 underscore 3.
Okay.
So you'll see the structure of this table. Okay. So as we have deleted this one or not?
Yes.
We have not created only. This is the example. Okay, let's create it.
Okay.
Table B is created. If you want to see the structure, you will see that this is the table structure you are getting. Okay. Table structure you are getting. Now, if you want to see the data, you will say that select a star from.
Okay. Like
what is the table name? Like this.
Batch
It will show you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
So we have not inserted any data. You are not able to see.
Okay, I am not inserting the command select staff from. I'm just simply switching to the query results and checking for the table. Okay.
No problem. No problem.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so this is the way to drop a table. Any question in drop command, guys? Easy. Easiest query till now.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next one will be alter command, guys. Read it. Guys, go on mute if you're not talking. Just a request. Kavya, Chaitali.
Sir, it is not deleted from schema, right?
The moment you are running drop command, in a schema also it will be deleted. Now, if I'll refresh your schema, it will be deleted. Like table, if you'll refresh it here, refresh. Now, if you'll not able to see it. See, batch 1 gone. Batch 23 underscore 3 we have created. That's why it is showing as that one only. Now we have a table B underscore 24. If you want to delete it, let's do that. Okay, and then see whether it's available or not. Otherwise, it will create a confusion for your question. So 24, if you run it, your table will be deleted. Table B 24 is deleted. Another one is also the B underscore 24 underscore 2. So that also will delete it, and then you will understand properly. So these 2 tables are dropped. Now you refresh your table. Gone? Is it clear? Clear or not?
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
Yeah.
So drop command is case sensitive or not?
It's not case sensitive. Table name you can pass small also or capital also. Like A2 is there, correct? A2 is there. If I want to drop, you can give A2 like this. Table A2 is dropped. Okay. You guys just read this one. Done, guys.
Yes.
Okay, then read this one. Just read only one above one. Done, guys.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So, what is your alter command? No? The definition, if you'll read it, you'll say that the alter command is a part of your DDL command, guys. Alter command is a part of your DDL command. Okay. So, data definition language, one part is alter command. So, in alter command, what is the definition of alter command? The alter command is a DDL command. Okay. Alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table. To modify the structure of existing table in the database by adding, modifying, renaming, or dropping columns and constant. Okay, the alter command used will be what? You have created a table, you have added 10 columns. Okay, you have added 10 columns. Now your requirement is that you want to add 2 more new columns. Using alter command, you can add 2 new columns. Okay, so you have created a table, you have added 10 columns, you have added 2 more new columns using alter command. Now total number of columns in your table, it become 12. But you don't need 2 columns now. You can drop those columns using alter command. Using alter command, you can add new columns into existing table. You can drop existing columns from the existing tables. Okay, now you some of the column you have created a table, you have added 10 columns in the newly created tables. Now some of the column names you are not satisfied, so you want to change those names. So you'll use alter command to change the column names, guys. If you want to change columns name into existing table, you can change the column name using alter command. Okay, even though you can change the table name also using alter command. Using alter command, you will be able to change the table name also. So these are the things are there. Even though if you want to modify the data types of any column, you have created a table, you have added 10 columns. Somewhere you have added varchar to, some of the column you have added varchar to, some of the column you have added numbers, some of the columns you have added date. So if you want to change the data types, like you don't want varchar to, you want to mention as a number, then you'll use alter command to change the data types of the particular column, or you want to change the length of those things, you will be able to change it using alter command. So what are the things we will be able to do using alter command? So you can add a new column, you can rename a column and tables both, you can delete or drop columns from the existing table, you can change the data type and length also. Okay, the alter command is DDL command to modify the structure of existing table in the database by adding a new column, modifying the data type or length of the columns, existing column, renaming a column or tables, or dropping a columns using alter command. Vivo Y75, what is your name, Vivo? I don't know. Okay, and constraint. So you will be able to drop a columns and constraint. Okay. So these are the things you can perform using the alter command. Very important. They'll ask you in interview, guys. They will ask you in interview. They will ask you in interview, what is alter command? What are the actions you can perform using alter command? So you have to say that alter command, using alter command, we can modify the structure of existing table. It's applicable for existing table only. In the database, we can add a new column. We can drop a columns from the existing table. We can change the data type. We can change the length also. We can rename a table. We can rename a column also. These are the things you have to explain in interview. So remember, very, very easy. You don't have to remember the definition. You have to understand that what the work we are able to do using alter command. Okay. So the first thing what we are going to learn, how to add columns, using alter command. How can we add one column, two column, n number of columns in the database? Once we have created a table, we have added a new column. After 1 month, you got a requirement that you have to add two new columns, guys. So you can add using alter command. So what is the syntax to add a new column in existing table? Alter table name, add column name, data type, size. If you want to add a single column, this is the syntax: alter table name, add column name, data type, and then size. If you want to add single columns, then this is the syntax you have to follow. If you want to add single column, then you have to write alter table name. Up to here, everywhere it's the same only. Only thing is that this one you have to remember majorly. Alter table name, add single column, data type, size. If you want to add multiple columns, then this syntax will be applicable. Then how to add multiple columns, guys? Alter table name, add, open the bracket. Okay, open the bracket, mention how many columns you want to add into existing table. Close the bracket, terminate the query. Alter table name, add column name, data type, size. If you want to add single column. If you want to add multiple columns, then remember, guys, till here, same for all the places. If you'll see, till here it's the same, all the alter command, guys. All the alter command, it's the same till here. Only from here it's changing. So you have to remember, if you want to add single column, add column name, data type, size. If you want to add multiple columns, add, open the bracket, column name 1, data type, size, comma, column name 2, data type, size, column name 3, data type, size. Okay, column name 4, data type, size, like this. So we'll see some of the examples for this one. Okay, some of the examples for this one. For that, you have a document. Okay, for each and every topic, you have the document. So first we'll create a table. Okay. Okay, so we are going to create a new table. So what is the table name we have? We have a table name employee. Create table employee. What are the columns we are going to add here? Create table employee, and what are the columns we are adding here, guys?
Email ID,
EMP ID, first name,
EMP,
last name,
last
email
name,
ID,
email ID,
phone number, salary.
So 6 columns we are adding in this table. Okay, first we'll create a table to perform ETL testing. First we'll create the table, then we'll perform the alter command, guys. Okay, so 6 columns we are adding to the employees table. So let's run it and see this one. So it's saying that table name already exists. What we have to do in this case?
We have to change
Change the table name.
Employee underscore one or drop the table.
So let's drop the table only. Will not get confused. We'll drop the table name. If it's already exists, you can create a new table, or you can drop the two options you have. You drop the table or you create a new table name. Other table name you can give it. So I have dropped the table to make it proper smooth. So I have dropped the table only. So let's create the table. Okay. Table is created. If you want to see the structure of this table, what we'll write? GSC employee.
Employee.
So you will see that 6 columns got added here. 6 columns got added. EMPID, first name, last name, email, phone number, salary. Now my requirement is what? I want to add 1 column, correct? Using alter command, I want to add 1 column. So what is the definitions of alter command? So the alter command is a DDL command to modify the structure of existing table only. What is the existing table we have? We have employee existing table.
employee table.
So now first thing is that I want to add the columns. So how many columns we want first? We want to add single column here. We want to add first single columns. If you want to take syntax, you can take the syntax. So alter table name. What is the table name? Employee. Alter table employee, add column name, data type size. So what is the column name? Address. Varchar to 100. Got it?
I got it.
So if you run it, new columns will be added to your existing table. So table employee altered. Now see the table structure, guys. Let's remove this. Let it be. Now can you see?
Yes.
Yes.
So previously it was 6 columns in your earlier. This is 6 column it was previously. Now it is address is got added. Whatever the things you have provided here, address varchar to 100. Can you see, guys?
Yes.
So this is the how to add single columns, guys. How to add single columns. If you want to add multiple columns using alter command, this is the syntax. If they will ask you in interview, you have to remember the syntax. Up to here, it's the same all the alter command, guys. Add, open the bracket, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. How many columns you want to add, you can add it. Close the bracket and then terminate the column. This is the syntax of it. If you want to add n number of columns. So alter table name. What is the table name we have? Employees.
Employee.
Add. What is the columns we are adding here, guys?
Address, home address, city, pin code.
3 columns we are adding, correct?
Yes.
3 columns we are adding. Don't confuse with others. We are working on here. This one. We are working on this one now. So we are adding 3 columns, guys, here. Address, home, city, pin code. Address, home, city, pin code. If you run it, this will be 3 columns will be added below this, not anywhere else. Below this only it will be added. In order wise only it will go. In order wise only it will go, guys.
Okay.
Table employees altered. Okay. Now if you see the structure of your table, what will happen, guys? Earlier it was 7 columns, correct? Now how many it will be?
10.
Can you see? So what are the columns we have added just now? 3 columns. Address, home,
City, pin code.
address, home, city, pin code. Whatever the data types you have given, whatever the length you have given, same thing, it's got added. So total, how many columns we have added, guys?
4 columns.
4 columns we have added. So this is your how to add new columns. Any doubt in this?
Jayant, we need to mention data size for the number, pin code.
No, not required. If you want, you can mention. If you don't want, you don't mention it.
If
By
you don't
default,
mention, then it will take unlimited or any
38
restriction?
digit numbers will support 38 digit before decimals.
Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to insert between the columns, like one column I need to add after last name or something, is it possible?
It will not be possible.
Uh,
The moment you will add the new columns, no, it will go down only.
in salary, in data type, we can give other than 38, 5 comma 2 is okay.
Sorry.
In salary, data type number we are assigning size is 38. No? So in the place we can give 5 comma 2.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
We can. We'll take care of this one. When we'll modify the structure of this one, data type or size will modify. Okay. Okay, guys. So yeah.
For ID, sometime we are taking integer also for Oracle.
Yeah, integer also you can take it. Like if you want to take a new, let's add it here, new column, where it went, single column. Okay. So same column if you'll add, it will throw error. Okay, same column if you'll add, it will throw error. Column being added already in existing table. Same columns you will not able to add. Let's take it, which one you will take, guys? Commission? Let's take commission. And here let's give numbers. What you have asked just now?
I'm asking like in Oracle, the previous table, there were mentioned that integer value for data type.
Integer.
So
Let's take
is
it
it
integer.
so we can take number as well as integer for the in the Oracle or what?
Yeah, Oracle you can take it integer.
Okay.
Like this you can take it integer. Okay. Invalid alter option.
So then if it is decimal, then we can give float.
Decimal, it will be 5,2.
Not float.
Not float. It you will be mentioning in a number only.
Okay.
Okay. I guess it should be int only. Why I gave a.
But the closing bracket is not necessary.
There is 2.
Okay. Let's try it. Okay. Integer I'm not using much. Table employee altered. Okay. By default it will take 38. Now it's got added, guys. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you'll see, what is the value? Number 38 by default it is taking.
Okay.
Number only automatically it will show. Whatever integer or you give a number, it will take by default number only. Okay. So next topic, guys. Fast. We'll complete one more topic for altered. Now speed is fine. Someone was complaining speed was more. This speed is fine for initial classes.
Yes.
But it will increase, guys. Okay. Next week onwards, little bit more. Which one you are reading, guys? This one?
Yes.
Finished?
Yes.
Yes.
Same way how we have added the new column, no? Like this, if you want to remove the columns name from the existing table, if we have a requirement to remove the columns name, okay? If you want to delete the column names, if you want to drop the column names from the existing table, then we'll use alter command drop with combinations of with the drop command, guys. Alter table name, drop column name, guys. Alter table name, drop column name. Alter table name, drop column name. So you have to mention this column name, guys. You have to mention this column name if you are dropping single column. If you are dropping single column, then you have to mention column keyword you have to mention. And alter table name, this common for all the alter command. This is drop is the keyword, guys. Drop. If you are dropping single column, then drop columns. Many people do forget this one only, adding the column. Okay, so you remember this when you want to drop single column, then you have to mention drop column. Okay, column you have to mention, and then which column you want to drop, that column you have to specify. If you want to drop multiple columns, then alter table name, drop column name 1, column name 2, column name 3, column name 4, and number of columns you can mention. In this, we are not adding column because we are dropping multiple columns. No, we are dropping multiple columns, so we are not mentioning anything, any column keyword. We are not mentioning any column keyword. We are just mentioning how many columns you want to delete from the table. That many columns name we are mentioning here. Okay, alter table name, drop, and number of columns inside the bracket you have to mention. If you are mentioning 2 columns, then it should be under the parenthesis, single parenthesis. Okay, so this is the method we are doing. So how we are going to do that? So we have a drop column from the table. Very easy, guys. Very easy. Which column you want to drop, guys? In this out of 10 columns, which column you want to drop?
There are 2 address columns. One
Email ID or
Email ID you want to drop? Let's take
address is already duplicate, so we can remove one address.
Address, shall I remove address home?
yeah.
Yes.
Address home. Okay. So if I'll run it, alter table name is employee, drop, column is the keyword, drop column. We are dropping single column, so it's taking drop column. Okay, so let's run it. So table employee altered. Now this address home will be removed, guys. So let's see the structure. DSC employee interview question, guys. They'll ask you in interview how to drop columns from the existing table. Now, can you see address home is there? It's gone?
Yes.
It's gone.
Okay. Yes.
So if you want to drop multiple columns, guys, alter table name, drop. You don't have to mention column in the when you are dropping multiple columns, guys. City, pin code. City, pin code. Alter table name, drop. No column keyword. City, pin code. Which column you want to add here? Email? Email or not? Or commission?
Commission.
Let's make it commission also. Commission. 4 columns we are dropping. Shall I drop 4 column or? Let's make it 3 only.
Okay.
Table employee altered. Now see the structure. Can you see? It's gone, all gone. City email commission, it was earlier. City email commission was there. Now it's dropped. Any doubt in this?
No.
Any doubt, guys? No
No, sir.
question. Now people are.
No.
What happened to your energy, guys?
Yeah, we are practicing this parallelly, that's
Then
Well,
what is the difference between delete and drop?
delete and drop we'll discuss step by step. Delete is a DML command. Next chapter we are going to discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
Drop
Thank
we have discussed today. Delete we are going to discuss. DML command we are going to discuss tomorrow.
Okay.
It's there in our syllabus. No worries. There is a very important question. What is the difference between delete and truncate? What is the difference between delete and drop?
Yeah, even truncative.
So like this, we are going to learn all these things. Okay, no worries. Full syllabus I have prepared. It.
Drop and alter command.
Sorry, your voice is breaking. Someone want to talk. Your voice is breaking. Any doubt in this drop command, guys? Using alter command, how to drop columns? Any doubt?
No, sir.
No.
Can I move to next? Shall I complete one more?
Yes.
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 Okay, so read this one. We are going to complete both. Finished, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So next one, we are going to learn how to rename a column. We have added many columns. Okay, we have added many columns, maybe 11 columns we have added. Now our requirement is to change the name of the column, like phone number, we want to change it to mobile number. Okay. So I want to change pin code to zip code. Okay. I want to change employee ID as a something full name of the employee, EMP_ID if you want to make it. So whatever as per your convenient, you can change the column name also. You can rename the column name. Rename will be perfect word. Rename, you can rename the column name also. Okay, you can rename the column name also, guys. Okay, so how to rename that? We have a syntax for that. Alter table name. This is common for all the alter command, guys. Okay, rename is a keyword. Column you have to add old column name to new column name you can give. Old column name. Let's make it clear only. Column name. New column name. Okay, so alter table name, rename column keyword you have to add, guys, and rename is a keyword. Main keyword is rename. Okay, rename column, old column name to new column name. One column name at a time. You cannot insert more things. You cannot add more things, guys. You cannot add more columns here. One column at a time. Old column name to new column name. Old column name to new column name, guys. Old column name to new column name. Whatever the old column name is, like phone number is there. Phone number. You want to change it to mobile number. Then you have to write here mobile number. Okay. So let's see some of the example for that. And then we'll move to next, how to rename the table. Where is the rename command, guys? Can you see? Here, renaming a table, renaming a column. Okay. So can you see, guys, this one?
Yes.
Yes.
Some person is asking that how you are going to complete a full syllabus in 1 month. So like this only, I don't have to type it. Correct. So
Yes.
alter table, table name we have created employee, rename, column is a keyword, rename is a main keyword. We are going to change pin code to zip code. Pin code to zip code. You cannot add more columns here, guys. Only one column at a time. So if you run it, what will happen, guys?
It will change to zip code.
Table employee altered. Now if you see the structure of this, got changed? Got changed, no, guys? Pin code to zip code. Earlier it was pin code. Now see, earlier it was pin code. Now we are getting as a zip code. Okay, so this is the thing, zip code. Next one will be, if you want to change it to phone number to mobile number, then can you help me, guys? What we have to do here? Let's
Alter
try.
table.
Alter table
Alter table.
employee.
Employee.
Rename
Rename column.
Phone number.
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 Phone number. To mobile number.
Like this? Or you want underscore? Like this?
We need
So if you'll give a space, it will not work. It will not work. Okay. Ensure that rename column is only operation specified in the alter command. So if you give like this, it will work. Or if you want more specific, the database follow like this only. In ETL testing, whatever the table you will see, no, your column name will be follow same thing only. Like if you'll see your employees table, like you can you see? First name, first underscore name, last underscore name, employee ID underscore, employee underscore ID, hire date, hire underscore date. Like this, we follow in a standard way to define in a ETL testing or any database, guys, to mention your things. So we are going to change phone number to mobile number. So let's make it underscore. So table employee altered. Now you see the structure, it's got changed to mobile number. Earlier it was phone number. Now it's changed to mobile number. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Next one will be, next we'll see how to change the table name, guys. If you want to change the table name, no, rename table in the database, guys, mind is blocked or what? Can I complete this or shall I close it?
Complete.
Jay.
Complete.
Close it, sir. Understood.
Complete.
Okay, fine. So let's make
Can
it.
you close it? We can continue tomorrow.
Yeah, it will be too much otherwise.
Jay, I have one question.
Yeah,
we
tell me.
cannot.
Can we rename multiple columns at a time?
No, I told 3-4 times, you cannot rename multiple columns. One column at a time. One column at a time. Try it. You can try it. Remove this column and try with the add comma and then add multiple columns. Okay. Something's for you also. Sorry?
Rename column keyword is case sensitive or not? Rename column keyword is case sensitive or not?
No, not case sensitive. Like this also you can write it. It's not case sensitive. It's altered also not case sensitive. Like make it again.
Yeah, Jay, here we are renaming columns or table name.
Columns we are renaming. Table will see how to rename tables. We are going to see tomorrow.
Okay.
What about rows?
What is that? What can you ask again? Someone asked something. Guys, please tell. No problem. We are here for the learning only.
I think he was asking to modify the row, renaming the
See,
row.
these are the
Yeah.
things we'll see tomorrow. Okay. Today, I think like your mind will be closed. You do practice. Tomorrow, I'll schedule a doubt clearance session at 4 o'clock. We'll ask bank test to schedule it at 4 o'clock. If we'll have time, tomorrow is what day? Tuesday. So if you'll have time, then 4 or 3. Otherwise, I may be, I'll ask Sindhuja to take it. Okay. Okay, guys. So till here, how we have learned. So today, what are the things we have learned? We have learned how to create a new tables in the database. We have seen how to drop tables. Then we have seen alter command.
Alter
How to
command. Rename.
how to add single column, how to add multiple columns. Then we have seen how to drop columns from the table. Then
multiple drop columns.
Yes. Then we have seen
Renaming column name.
renaming old column to new column name.
New column name.
Okay. These are the things we are going to discuss tomorrow. And we are going to start with truncate and then DML command, guys. This DML command will finish it tomorrow, if possible. Otherwise, we'll go slow only. These are all easy only, no worries. Once you do practice today and tomorrow, you'll be perfectly fine. You'll be able to pick up the things. I have not completed much. My target was to complete full DDL today. But still half an hour job is there. We'll do it tomorrow. No worries in that. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'll forward you the recording for the today what session I have taken for the 5 offer letter student, and it will be, believe me, it will be very useful if you listen it. You'll get complete roadmap how to practice, guys. Okay, please listen it.
Jane,
Very helpful.
Jane, one doubt.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello.
Yes.
Like duration of this course will be like 1 month, and for getting a job, it will take another month or it will take some more time.
See, it depends on you, Naresh. I earlier also I mentioned, if you want to prepare fast, if you are full day free, ask me previous class recording. Previous class recording, you ask me. I'll provide you. If you are full-time free, utilize the time. 8 hours, 10 hours, you prepare in within 15 to 18 days, you prepare it. Otherwise, if you are working somewhere, go through the class only. 1 month will complete, and if you will complete full syllabus in 1 month, perfectly fine. With your mock and all, you have done perfectly fine. Within a 10 days or within a 15 days, you will get the job. It depends on you. You are able to crack the interview in the first attempt, then you will get in first attempt only. First interview only, if you are able to crack.
No, not like that.
Get the offer letter.
See, we sometimes we won't get calls, so that is also the thing. Now,
today 5
okay.
people, 5 referrals I have forwarded in the group. 5 referrals. People are getting call. If you will not get call, you have to modify your Naukri. That's what I'm saying, that if you listen that recording, no, the things I have explained it properly. Sindhuja was the person, she prepared in 18 days, and in first interview only she reached till client round, L1, L2, L3 cleared, and then client round also she just missed it for 1 or 2 questions. Then second interview she was got the offer letter. So that much of support you will get here. That time when Sindhuja was there, other person was there, I was handling, me and Misal only was handling. Now you have Venkatesh and Vishal is there, Venkatesh and Sindhuja is there, and me, all 3 people, technical people are there to help you. You should not struggle with any of the topic. If you are not getting it, ping them, call them, bug them, or message me. We are here to help you complete 100% knowledge. Just listen that recording, okay? You will get full what I am trying to say. You will get in that, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Believe me, guys, you have to trust me, okay? Bye, everyone. Take care. We'll meet tomorrow, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock or 9:45 and 7:45.
Thank you.
7:45.
Okay, next week onwards we'll make it 7:45. Okay, 7:45 to 9:15 like that. Bye everyone. Take care.
Bye.
Send me PDF, sir.
Yeah, we'll upload in.
Then
Today we'll upload it. Okay, in the drive.
We can see and practice.